Good morning and exciting and afternoon. Nana here with Teach Me Nana on Friday, right? September the 8th. It's my son's birthday. Whoop, whoop. So today we're going to be making a quick and easy alternative to the August paper pumpkin kit. And it's a very beautiful paper. If you haven't seen it, you need to check this out. I'm going to show you first the ones we've made, and then we're going to make the new one, all right? So let's go down the hands and let's make this card. So we can make a card, or it could just as easily be, we can make it into a box. Maybe next week I'll show you that we'll make it into a box. But what I really love is that they give you the meaning of the flower. So what we're doing today is a lotus flower alternative. And it just says, long revered in cultures around the world, the lotus flower being beautiful, strong, and pure. As the sun rises, the lotus flower emerges from dark, murky water with a miraculously clean flower. A day's in, it closes and descends back into the water, ready to repeat the process the next day. It's all about strength, resilience, and wisdom. Whoop, whoop. So these are the cards we have already made. And I've actually already mailed some out too. So if you were a door prize winner and you didn't give me your address yet, I'm still holding on to it for you. Okay? So just need that address. So today we're adding some cardstock. This is Pretty Peacock, and if you'll see, it matches just beautifully with this right here. And I send some of this to all of my subscribers, Paper Pumpkin subscribers. And what we're going to do also, I'm set this aside, I'm cutting up the envelope. So this is what the envelope looks like originally. We'll set that aside. And I've sliced it and diced it. So you can see this is at the top, and I've trimmed off the sides, and then we trimmed off the top down there so that we can have this base right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add just a little bit of white. I could have put this right on here, and we'll decide if we want to or not. So I just got some basic white cardstock, 4 by 5 1/4, and I thought we would just layer it, see how we like the layering. Now I'd have to trim it off just a little bit more to have the layering effect, because I've got a 1/4 inch here, so I still need a little bit off here. So let's just trim that off a little bit. Be just as pretty like this right here, right? But it's just going to add an extra layer to it. You don't have to, right? It's just a personal preference. So let me just get this right here. I'm going to trim it just a smidgen longer or shorter. So right now, if I measure this, this is, it says 5.5 inches. So it looks like I need to sit there and go down to a 5. And if this isn't right, then I'll just sit there and get another envelope, right? So all we're going to do here is I'm just layering it, right? Because I wanted to give it a little bit of layer. So we're just going to do it like this right here, and we're going to layer this right here just to help it pop a little bit more. Then we're just going to put this right here, okay? That is how quick and easy it is. You don't have to do this layer right here that I'm going to do. I'm using Stampin' Seal. I do have glue dots, but I save my glue dots because I really like my leftover glue dots. This particular kit didn't come with it, came with foam. But I save my extra glue dots, so there's always stuff left over, right? So I save my extra glue dots for do my bows and all, because I really like those. Or if I'm using vellum. Okay, I'm going to do this here. Then I'm just going to do the same thing with this right here. Now, I could put this up on dimensionals, but this paper is just going to be a little bit thinner because of the fact than regular paper or cardstock, because it's an envelope, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and put it down directly onto this right here. You see, I just gave it just a little bit more trim there. I'm going to do that. And then we'll do just like they had us do with the original instructions. We're just going to ink up the ink spot here with the stamp. Now you can do it this way, or you can flip it over the other way. Either one, right? I just want to make sure I got all my letters on my ink. They're really inked up well. And then I'm just going to stamp it right here, just like we did on Sunday when we first did this kit originally. Now this I'll put up on dimensionals, okay? So I'm just going to put it up right here. Now I like this idea because when we did the original one, they had us sit up there and put the flower right down in here, which is nice, right? And it hooks just like that right there. But today I wanted to do it just so we could see the flower itself, because it's just a very pretty flower. Yes, we always have these left over as well too from kits. So if you've never had a paper pumpkin kit, everything you need is in the kit, right? Adhesive, you don't need anything. The only thing you might need is scissors. Sometimes we have ribbon, you need scissors for that. The other thing would be, is I always encourage people to have some white paper, just so you can stamp off and see what it looks like. And that's all we're going to do here. It's that simple. We just cut up the envelope. We're going to take a couple of the embellishments here that we still have. And we're just going to add them. Let's see if I get them off my finger. I have to watch out. I hurt my left thumb. Keep on bumping it and it hurts. Just going right there. So you can put as much as you want, right? We always say to do odd numbers. Let's see if I can get this one off. That's the main thing, is just get odd numbers, right? And look how easy that is. That's how quick and easy it is. You can make a card from someone to give to them and make a difference in their day. The only thing I'm going to add here that's not in the kit is a little wink of Stella, because it's always nice. And I just put it on the flower here. And I tell you, the stamp is real nice too. I'm using it for a class, the stamp set here, because this set came with an extra stamp set of the lotus flower here. So we actually got 2 stamp sets this month. Normally we just get 1. And I'm just putting this wink of Stella just to give it a little sparkly. Because if you've ever seen these out in the water, right? Especially in the morning time, they sort of got a glisten, right? Just a light glisten from the moisture and everything else. And there you go. That is as quick and simple and easy as you can get. And that's what we did. Just real quick and easy. So I hope you enjoyed that, right? It's about the creating, sharing, and giving. And it's all about going out there. I just got to mailing out several of these for people, for birthdays, for people that inspire me, friends, whatever. So there we go. That is what we have made so far to date. And it was just that quick and easy. So this is one of those things that if you weren't there when I was in my live, you can always watch the replay, because when I make a very simple card like that, it's just quickly to get done in 7 minutes or less. So you can go out there, create, share, and give, and make a difference in someone else's life today. So be blessed. Go out there, create, share, and give. And if you're not following us on YouTube, we'd love for you to follow us on YouTube and also Instagram, where we post our videos, and we also post our cards. All right, until next week with Teach Me Nana. Next week, Nana's going to build a gift box for us, okay? So we can give out some goodies. We got Halloween coming and other birthdays and all, so it's a great time to give some gifts, and we'll make a box out of the cards here. All right, see you next week on Keep It Simple. Actually, it's going to Teach Me Nana. If you want to watch Keep Me Simple Stepping Up, you'll have to go to Adventurous Stamping, where I'm every Wednesday live at noon. With that, be blessed. Look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.